Hello, welcome to Supreme Seafood live webcast, live from Supreme Seafood's warehouse in Chennai. We are doing home delivery for the past 5 years in Chennai, and we are in fact the pioneers of home delivery throughout India. And we have done more than 150,000 home deliveries exclusively in the seafood varieties. And in fact, we are going to introduce you to more than 50 varieties of live, fresh and exotic seafood, which we are catering to the households in Chennai. And we also cater to restaurants, parties and functions, colleges and everywhere. And what we are, whenever you need to celebrate an occasion, you can contact us and we can fulfill your requirement. And now we are going to start with 9 different categories in fact. And first category is of course the live and exotic live categories. And we have here lobsters, live lobsters. You can see live and kicking, right? These weigh around 300 grams. Each piece is 300 grams and it's live and kicking. You can see it. And next in line is live mural fish. This is called Nei Meen in Tamil and very popular delicacy in South Tamil Nadu. And it has some medicinal properties as well. And next in line is from Madurai. This is live Aylai fish. They call it Aylai fish. Very tiny, in fact, as little as your little finger. In fact, smaller than that. And now we have live crabs. And these are very dangerous fellows. You cannot put your hand inside. See? The live crabs. These are about 150 to 200 grams in size. And now we are going to introduce you to the next variety of long seafood, long fishes like Seer fish, Cobia, shark and Mathi, catfish and Barracuda. So now we are going to just remove this from this table and bring it. Please come, take it. Seer fish. Yeah. This is seer fish, very fresh, as you can see. Very fresh. This is about more than 5 kg size. Right? This is Barracuda fish, Seela. This is Cobia. It's also called black seer fish. Kadal viral in Tamil, they also call Nei Meen. This is another piece of Nei Meen. Sorry, catfish. This is a catfish. And we have Mathi fish. Mathi fish called Parla in Tamil. And these are very good for making cubes, fish fingers, fillets. In fact, this is a very favorite fish in Europe. And they love it like anything else, the first preference. And we also have red snapper. This is another delicacy. Very good for fillet and cubes and fish finger as well. And now we have this Sepili, the giant Sepili, Paarai fish, popularly called in Tamil Nadu. Very tasty. And This is called the Tengapara in Tamil, Sepili. And we have this is original sea bass, Koduva, Asal Koduva. This is called Asal Koduva. Very, very tasty fish, very soft and tender. And in fact, the next preference after Seer fish, very popular in Tamil Nadu as well. People who are nursing mothers, they prefer this fish. And these are all the freshwater fishes. Rohu, this is rohu, tilapia, and this is freshwater pomfret, similar in shape to pomfret, but it is a freshwater pomfret called also red pomfret or eri Vawal in Tamil. And we have this Kili Meen varieties. Kili Meen varieties we have called pearl spot, and this is called Pabda fish. Pabda fish is very popular for Bengalis. And we have this is another red freshwater pomfret. And we are going to show you some small fishes like Sankara. This is called Sankara, Japanese redfin, and we have this silver belly fish, Karuppu. Oh, jumped out of it. And we have this Kelangan ladyfish, very shiny, very tasty. And we have this sardines, Parla, Mathi. These are the small fish varieties we have. And this is Indian salmon, which is very rich in omega-3. Indian salmon fishes. And we have this croaker, what do you call croaker? Croaker fish. Lake. And we have cuttlefish. This is an exotic variety, cuttlefish. And octopus, this is octopus. Squid, we have squid. White squid, this is called white squid. And these are called baby octopuses, very small in fact. And we have this sand lobsters, these are called sand lobsters. There's another variety of lobsters. We have these red crabs, red sea crabs, oysters, we have these mussels. These are called mussels. Kallumakai, popularly called in Malayalam, they call it kallumakai, very tasty. And these are jumbo tiger prawns. Jumbo tiger prawns, very huge. You can see, very big size. And we have, of course, the white prawns. White prawns are here. White medium prawns, small prawns, all these are there. And of course we have these peeled prawns. So these are peeled and ready to cook. You don't have to do anything else, just peel, devine, clean, very clean. Okay. And I think just give me a minute. We have this white pomfret. White pomfret, very huge in size and very fresh. It's a white pomfret. We have this huge black pomfret. You can just see the comparison of the size. These are around 300 grams. This is more than a kilo in weight. This is parrot fish. These are export variety fishes, not easily available in the local market. And we have the stingray, huge stingray, right? Let's see. And here is imported varieties like Atlantic salmon fillets, high rich in omega-3, and Mata fillets from Vietnam, pink and white color. So thanks for watching. Everyone. So don't hesitate to order fresh, live and exotic seafood from Supreme Seafood. And we also cater to weddings, parties, restaurants and colleges. Whoever needs bulk orders also can contact us. Have a nice day. Have a great weekend. And don't forget to call our landline number 6644-2222, and we also have a mobile number 91710-72896, and you can view all our information on our website www.supremeseafood.in. Thanks for watching.